Do you remember when every new device had a different charging port? We had micro USB, we had Apple's Lightning port, and a dozen proprietary cables. It was a mess. Then came along USB-C, a single universal charging cable that changed everything. Well, what if I told you the world of AI is facing a similar problem? And the solution to all that is the kind of USB for AI. It's called MCP, Model Context Protocol, and it's an absolute game changer. In this video, I'm going to break it down, what it is, why it's useful, and why everybody should be getting on board with it. So let's get into it. So this is the problem. Before MCP, connecting a large language model to a tool like a database or a calendar app or anything like that required a custom one-off job. It would require a developer to build something that would allow one thing to interface with the other. And this had to be done every time. If you wanted to build an AI agent that could check your email and save a file, that was two separate, completely different, complex integrations. This is what developers at Anthropic called the N by M problem. For every AI model, N, there needed to be a custom connector for every tool or service, M. It was slow, inefficient, and created a tangled mess. That is until MCP came along. Think of MCP as being the universal USB port on your laptop. It allows one thing to connect to many things using a standardized framework. The Model Context Protocol changed a lot of things. It was developed by Anthropic and released on an open source framework then as well, so it's free to the world. MCP is a standardized way for AI systems to connect to external services. Think of it this way. An AI model itself is like your laptop with lots of ports that can connect to lots of different things then as well. MCP is a universal port for everything. Now, if you had a tool, a data source, MCP compatible, it's simply plug and play, like connecting a new mouse to your old computer. The universal language allows AI to access up-to-date information. It can query a live database instead of relying on old training data and integrations then as well. And it's constantly being updated. It's also been adopted by all the other AI vendors then as well and become the de facto norm. It can perform real-world tasks, so you can get it to send an email, create a document, post a message on Slack, and then it can work really well with agentic workflows then as well, becoming a true agent, being able to perform multi-step multi-technology reports along the way then as well. So let's dive in to see how it works. So how does it work? This magic USB port actually works in a client-server relationship then as well, but with a twist. So the host, this is your user-facing application like a desktop assistant or an AI-powered IDE. Then there is the client. This lives inside the host and is the key part. It acts as a translator, taking a request from the AI model and sending it to the correct destination. The server then in this case is a separate program specifically designed to connect to a single tool. For example, there's a Google Drive MCP server or a Slack MCP server and so on and so on. So when you ask the AI to find me the latest sales report, the AI uses the MCP client to find the relevant database server, sends a request, the server fetches the data and sends it back to the AI. It's clean, simple, organized and scalable. So why is this a big deal? Well, moving on from just technical, if you look at it from a business perspective, it means you can create powerful custom AI agents that can access your internal knowledge databases, your CRM, your proprietary tools, without needing a team of developers for every single integration and every single generation of that AI model then as well. For developers, it's going to save an incredible amount of time and effort. Instead of reinventing the wheel every time, they can just build a single MCP server for their tools and it instantly becomes compatible with all their AI systems that support the protocol then as well, which in this case is going to be all of them going forward. For end users, it leads to more capable, context-aware AI tools that can do more than just generate text. They can finally be truly useful in the real world. Now, looking ahead to the future, let's talk a little bit about security. Now, if you're looking to set up MCP, there's a number of different ways you can do it. You can build it yourself. You can build your own server then as well. If you have a cloud subscription, you can host it there as well. It's a bit more cumbersome, a bit more complicated, but it's something you want to do and manage, or from an organization, it's probably your best route. But there's lots of third-party tools then as well. I've been using Zapier. I have a trial up and running at the minute, and it has been incredibly easy to get set up and running. If you go into your applications, you should be able to see what you've already added in. Explore applications. Yes, and you can see straight away there is hundreds of applications already available then as well, and there's no limit to what you can actually get it to do. And yeah, search that wherever you want. Zaps then essentially are agentic AI. That's your workflows then as well. So you can create Zaps which connect numerous different things together. And so you're starting to build up that automation then as well. You can also integrate this in with your favorite code developer. I use Cursor, and I was able to integrate it into Cursor hilariously quickly. Essentially, it's settings, MCP tools. You can add in a custom MCP, or you can add it in as agent then as well. And an agent then essentially is your applications that you've connected. So I've connected WhatsApp, Gmail, Gemini, and YouTube. So I built a few little integrations to this now as well. I built one where every time I post a YouTube video to my channel, it's going to send messages around my WhatsApp group, and it's going to email my list of people in my email subscription channel then as well to notify them, hey, I've created this new video, here you go. I set that up once, I tested it, and now it does it every time I upload a new video. It's saving me countless time and effort then as well going forward. On to the conclusion. While MCP is a significant step forward, it's still an evolving standard, and as more AI companies and developers adopt it, we'll see an explosion of new, more powerful AI applications going forward. But as always, with great power comes great responsibility. Giving AI access to your data and tools is a serious security consideration then as well. You should always know who is going to be holding your data, what they're holding it for, and the relevant laws that go around that as well. This protocol has built-in features for user consent and controls, but it's always crucial to be aware of what permissions you are granting it to. So next time you hear about an agentic AI agent that can do something that is truly impressive, like drafting a report and automatically saving it to a folder, there's a good chance that it's using MCP or Modeled Context Protocol. It's quietly working behind the scenes, acting as a universal USB port for all that connects your AI to the real world then as well. I hope you found this video interesting. I am going to do a lot more exploration of MCP. I think it's going to be the next great frontier when it comes to AI development then as well. Taking AI from being a simple thing that was just text generation and opening up to the whole world then as well. And as more organizations and companies sort of sign up to this protocol as well, the possibilities are endless. As always, I love hearing from everybody on my channel, so please reach out. If you have any questions, you're always going to find me. Please like and subscribe for my content and channels. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.